Hello, this is Jane from Tiglon. I would like to introduce our CarPlay 0.26-inch wireless CarPlay stereo with the function as follows. 1. With a 2.5K front camera and external 1080p